Hey nieces and nephews, it's your Uncle Chris. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a windy, stormy, overcast, rainy day here in Chicago. So I invite you to come on out with me, brave the weather, because guess what? It's Food Pantry Day.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Yes, nieces and nephews, it is de la crappe. Excuse my French, such as it is. All right, we are almost there at the food pantry. Oh, and there's some sun coming out. Whoa. You know, it's trying to wake up the trees and everything by raining because summer's coming. And I'm gonna show you, my garden is coming up. I'm getting some tips from one of our nephews, Mr. Joe. So I'm gonna show you some of his pictures when I show the garden. All right, I'm about to go in the food pantry. Nieces and nephews, I'm back, and as you can see, as I was bringing in the groceries, it started cutting up outside. Woo! All right, we're gonna start from left to right. What did I receive from the food pantry today? Well, I got some cornflakes. Of course, for Jay's breakfast. And once in a while, I do eat them because these have no sugar on them, so I'll eat them. And they're not too bad on the sodium, so that's all right. I got some long grain rice. We can make all kinds of meals with that. I'm not a rice person, but lately I have been eating it due to Mr. Dean on the scene with his red beans and rice, his dirty rice, and all of that stuff. I'll get you all a link to his channel. He's putting it up, okay? Now, because I know y'all been requesting that. I also got some oatmeal. Just the regular kind, not the fancy kind. I got some walnuts. Chopped up and ready to go. Uncle Mike is going to love that. They're shelled and everything. Oh. Then we got some raisins. I love making trail mix. Have you guys seen my trail mix video? I love doing that. I also got some, I think this is called penne pasta. Yeah. I can make some wonderful casseroles with that, or I just might make Italian meatballs. Ooh, yeah, Italian sausage. And some green peppers, onions, and mushrooms. Yes, with tomatoes. Oh, yes. Yes, we're going to do that. Then I got really lucky, you all. Look, I got the diced pears. Ooh. I got some spaghetti rings for Jay. And this I love. No salt added. Diced tomatoes. You know what I'm going to do with that. I also got some spaghetti sauce. I got some no salt added whole kernel corn. No salt green beans. I hit the jackpot today. I got some black beans. Mixed veg all. Chicken noodle soup. Now, this has a lot of salt in it, really does. So, I'll mix this with a lot of other things to compensate, but, well, it's not too bad. It's 470 milligrams, but there are 2.5 servings in this one thing. But if I mix it with something else and some water, it'll be okay. I've got some peanut butter and some grape jelly. Or fruit spread, I should say. Then, look you all. Red salmon. I love this stuff. We're going to show you the salmon cakes we make. Also, I'm going to remake my seafood cakes. Everybody loves that. Let's jump over to the other side. Oh, I got some celery. Nice big stalk. I'm going to chop that up today and use that in one of my dishes. Ooh, I got some oil and some milk. This is going to be for Jay. Yeah. Then I got a bag of onions, yellow onions. Oh, yeah. 3 tomatoes. You all don't pass up the healthy stuff at the food pantry. It's really important. I got 2 apples, a green pepper, which I'm going to use in my dish with the sausage and penne pasta. And I got some mild cheddar cheese. I want to do something besides mac and cheese. I want to do something different. I think I'm going to do a quiche. Yeah, do that. I got some whole grain oat nut bread. This stuff is good for you. It's better than regular bread, and it's nice and fresh. Nice and fresh. Then the decadent, they gave me a dessert. I believe this is, it says a sundae cup, but to me it looks like, strawberry shortcake. I don't know. We'll find out. I got some eggs, y'all. Look at this. And not a one broken, unlike the store. Okay. Oh, my favorite. Frozen blueberries. Smoothies, here I come. Then my favorite fish. I believe this is pronounced swai. I believe. I might be wrong. But I'm going to do a nice fish dish with this. I love this fish. Anything you flavor it with, it takes that flavor. It's really, really good. Then I got, what's this here? I believe this is ground beef. Yes. 85% lean, 15% fat. This is perfect for burgers. Y'all, you know what I've been missing? I've been missing eating sliders. But you know what? I'm afraid to eat them because of the salt content. But you know something else? Your Uncle Chris knows how to make them, and he's going to show you. Okay? Then I got some ground turkey. Now, we could use these for sliders, too. But I'm going to use the beef. But I can show you both. If you want to use ground turkey for your sliders, you can, and make turkey sliders. Then I got some chicken drumsticks. A whole bag. They're great in soups. They're great baked. They're also great fried. But you know what I love them? On the grill. Yes, and it's warming up in time just for that. Now, we're going to pan and show everything we got. Yes. This is wonderful. Now, ain't that something? Just as I come in, the rain stops. And the sun comes out. I think I got my camera. Cattywampus here. Now, I also have a grocery haul coming up. That video is going to be later on tonight. That's what I'm setting up for here right now. And I'm going to put this up in the refrigerator. But I want y'all to tune in tonight for that. And my sliders video, okay? All right. Remember, if you need help, you need food, don't be ashamed to go to the food pantry. This is how I supplement. You can too. Let me know what town you're in, what state, and I'll find out what resources are in your state. I'm going to put some resources for Chicago down below. If you're in the Chicago area or surrounding Chicago areas, holler at me, let me know. All right, all right. Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Also, I'm having a big garden, and I'm going to show Mr. Joe's garden and how he sets up his seeds, okay? All right. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. Big love from Uncle Chris.